So here we are with my friend Willie, Sunday morning in Miami, and we are in this. How old is this car?
2013, 10 years, 11 years.
11 years, Honda Accord, and it drives like new, right?
Drives like new, still driving.
Honda really makes amazing cars, but since it's an old car,
it doesn't
have a lot of technology. What else?
It doesn't have CarPlay.
Doesn't have navigation?
It does not have navigation.
So we got this product, CarpodGo.
CarpodGo.
Oh, what is it? What did I say?
CarpodGo.
Okay. There you go. I'm dyslexic, so that's why. Let's see what we got here. This is a wireless. Oh, a lot of packaging. What was that? Ooh, a lot of wires and stuff. Let's see. What is that?
To hold it.
Oh, it seems to be a holder here. Somehow. Oh, can you try that?
Like that.
Well, I open this. A lot of plastic. It goes on the windshield, I think. It's still very sticky. Wow, good packaging.
Nice screen.
Ooh la la, a lot of stuff. Let's see. Or maybe it's this that you need.
No, let me look at it. We gotta look at it.
Okay, this I know. We have to plug it into the outlet here. Open the door because it's getting hot.
That goes to the back of the mount.
That goes here. Take all this plastic.
It's magnetic, so there has to be a plate somewhere.
I think it's that stuff. So the screen is off. This one goes here. Where's the power here? Oh, the car is not on, that's why.
Let me just turn it on.
Fasten the seat belts because it's gonna be yelling at us.
Yep.
So there it is. It's on. Bluetooth on. No phone is connected. Would you like to select a phone? Well, or a device.
The pairing process requires operation of a Bluetooth device. For proper system function, a compatible Bluetooth device is required. Please visit the hands-free system website listed in the owner's manual for a list of approved devices and other system information. From the displayed list, select the desired device.
Oh, there it is. It's on. Device not found. It's not finding it. There. Oh, it's looking for it. Oh, auxiliary mode. That's what it was.
From the displayed list, select the desired device.
I had it on the wrong setting. It has to be in dual mode.
From the displayed list, select the desired device.
So, have you connected other stuff in this car with Bluetooth?
My phone is connected.
Oh, your phone is. So it works. I'm gonna pause the video and we're gonna find out what's going on here. So we found a way to connect it. What was it?
You had to connect the phone to the device. It's really what.
Oh, not the car.
No, you don't need the car.
Oh, because the car obviously doesn't have the system. Well, it has the Bluetooth.
Yeah, but you really need this. This is what you're after, the screen.
Yeah. So there it is. Obviously it works. Put let's say the airport or something. Just to find a location, and then we're supposed to go to. So he's inputting the airport into his phone, and that's gonna reflect here on the screen. There it is. Wow, immediate, huh?
It's fast.
It's super fast. The
60
connection
frames
is
per second, so it's pretty quick.
So this is a good addition to this car. Obviously it has the screen, but it doesn't really work. We're gonna find a way to mount it. I mean, ideally.
Well, that's supposed to be magnetic.
It is magnetic. I just tried it before. So this part is magnetic.
So let me see that. Let me see that. I'm gonna mount it. This is like really cool.
These wires are. Oh, this is an extra camera if you want to install
a rear, but the car has one, so
yeah, we don't need this one, but the product comes with this camera. You have to run it if you think so. Ideally, that will go there. But do we need to have the wire?
You need to have this wire, yes, because that's how you power the device.
Yeah, so that's kind of bulky and like not 100% convenient, but it's better than not having that. Let's see if we can hide it here a little bit.
Now we'll figure it out.
Let's see.
Let me see, because this.
We're doing this just as a demonstration, but this is as less wire as you can have, which is not that horrible. So we put it through here, put it in the glove box. I guess you can put some glue in there or something. I mean, not really, but it obviously works. Here you have some straps if you want to mount
and
this.
That's the magnetic plate in the back.
Yeah,
we'll figure it out. We're gonna try to mount it up here. I think that's what we're gonna do.
Up here?
Yeah, but we have to get the smaller version. So that works. That magnet works.
That magnet, as you see, is really strong. Look.
No, that's good. That's really.
And it has other mounting.
Yeah,
plates.
it does. It does. Like it has this little one here, but I don't know how to put it in the.
So I think if you just put it here, let's see.
Yeah, but this
here. So this goes here.
But you have to probably take it out.
Or this one goes here.
No, it's the same thing. Oh, there we go.
There it is. But now how you put it?
Like
oh
that,
yeah.
that's easy.
Okay.
And now you put the magnetic plate.
Where's the magnetic plate? Here. Oh.
Put that there. No, wait.
Oh no, we have to put this through here. And then this through here. Oh shoot.
And now we have. So we would put it like that.
Or you want it here?
No, I think right up here.
Really?
Yeah.
It's too bulky, no?
No.
Oh, well, let's leave it like that for now.
Once you tighten it and put it on, it'll stay on.
So just for the sake of the video, like there it is. So this is definitely an upgrade for this car, you think?
Oh, for sure.
Can you drive it for another 10 years with this?
Probably.
The technology is gonna change. And again, here's the camera for the back if you want to install it. Here are more instructions. Oh, here are the instructions to set up the camera if you want.
It's pretty neat.
But this car already has one. Put the brake. Hit the brake. So I'm gonna put reverse. So as you see, this is a camera. Obviously, I think this will be better quality, you know. And you will see it here. What do you want? My radar? What is that?
The weather.
Oh, the weather. Wow.
It's like a nice day in
A
Miami.
really good resolution, huh?
Yeah.
This is one of the best Apple CarPlay monitors that we have gotten. They offer us a lot of these systems, but I really like this one because it gives you different options.
Yeah, that magnetic
to mount it.
The best.
You have to work a little bit in different cars, different settings. You can even put it here where you will see more wire. Ideally, but obviously it has to charge, it will be wireless, and that will be super cool.
Yeah.
Maybe you'll find a way to mount it here, but
maybe it is wireless.
Is it?
No.
Let's see. Did you read the instructions?
No. We're winging it, man. We are
We're smarter. We're smarter than the instructions, right? Always.
No.
No, it dies.
Dies.
Okay, we're gonna play a little bit more with it, and we'll do a follow-up video once everything is mounted and all that, and we'll show it to you. But so far so good, huh?
Yeah, I like it. That's for the Bluetooth adapter.
Yeah, so the box comes with a lot of different wires, so you will not have any problem connecting it to different kind of ports, USB-C, USB normal, and again here through the wire. So again, we like it.
CarpodGo.